Good morning, everyone, and we are here in Coco Cay. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Of course, this is the first day of our Coco Cay experience because we will be here 2 days because of the medical emergency that we had earlier in the week, if you didn't know. So if you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Toya, and you're watching Travel with Toy. And yeah, I just do a lot of cruise videos, travel videos. Wherever I'm at, that's where I'll be. So we are in Coco Cay today, and we will be in Coco Cay tomorrow. We are here with the Independence of the Seas, and if you haven't seen that vlog, please go back and check out my Independence of the Seas vlog. I am on Mariner, and we are here, both of us. And tomorrow we'll be in port with Symphony of the Seas. So I'm excited. We pretty much had 3 sea days in a row. Well, yeah, like 3 sea days in a row, kind of. So, kind of happy to be on land really fast and just, you know, not be on the ship. But we are going to do Thrill. We're going to do Thrill Water Park. I'm excited. This is my first time. The key is to get out here early. There's 2 ships, so you know, you want to get out here early before 11 a.m. because it's most crowded at like midday. So we're going to try and get Thrill Water Park over with and then do like Splashaway Bay for the baby. And then, yeah, so we'll see what else happens after that. But we are here in Coco Cay. I'm excited. Stay tuned for more.
What's up, travel gang? My name is Toya and welcome back to Travel with Toy. Today we are in the beautiful, perfect day at Coco Cay. Now this is one of 2 days here at Coco Cay because of the medical emergency on board. But today I will be trying the Thrill Water Park. Yes, the Thrill Water Park. So I am so excited to show you guys the Thrill Water Park. So come along with me on this beautiful day at Perfect Day at Coco Cay.
Hey guys, so I'm in Thrill Water Park. I'm excited. So I'm going to show you some things about the Thrill Water Park and what you can expect when you come in here. So they have a wave pool, the Splash Summit, Adventure Pool, Splashaway Bay, Cabanas, Snack Shack, Coco Shop. Well, this is giving you directions on things, but let's go. There's some lockers. You can put your stuff in, and they're free, by the way. Have the women's showers right there. The restrooms, everything is to the right of you when you walk in. We got some loungers. Hey, cabanas. The men's showers are over there. Just let y'all know. They got the wave pool. We'll get a better look at that in a minute. I think they have like 7 slides here. This is the wave pool. And they have a little splash area over there. You can see it, the kiddos, but I'll get a better view a little later. Oh man. They have a lot of slides. Okay, so they have this tower over here as well. And then they have, of course, Daredevil's Peak. And they have a, looks like a regular pool over here. The weather is beautiful, by the way. Clear skies, so I don't think there's going to be any rain. Every time I've been here, it's rained at some point. But they got a nice pool, regular pool, little obstacle course. Oh, wow, it's a lot. All right. Well, gonna get settled and then we'll see what we got going on after that. Okay guys, so I just did my first water slide in Thrill. Whoa, I did it was like a one that just dropped where the water slide goes and it just drops, you know, you just drop. It drops from beneath you and it counts down, 3, 2, 1. That was crazy. I literally felt like I was drowning. It was going so fast and I literally thought I was drowning. It was fun, but it was scary at the same time because I'm like, can't breathe. I'm like, maybe I was having an anxiety attack. I don't know. But it was a lot, okay? That was my first one and I'm like, whew. I haven't done the very top one, so I'm a little scared about that one, but I'm gonna try and do them all. I am. So she went to the splash pad, but I'm gonna try and see if I can do them all. I mean, that first one was kind of a lot, but I'm up for the challenge since I'm here all day. So let's see what else I can get into. I wish I could have showed you. I wish I could take my phone up there, but I don't have my GoPro. I left it, so I can't get too much footage, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, so we also have a snack shack here. So if you're in Thrill Water Park and you want to get a bite to eat, you can come over here to the snack shack, okay, and it's all included, of course, and you can grab you a bite to eat here. And they have the condiment station over there. Now this is just one of the options. You always can go to the buffet area right outside of the Thrill Park in the regular area. And this is the menus that they have. Sandwiches, everything. Alright, then you just get your food, go ahead and eat.
So this is the wave pool, and this is the Caribbean's biggest wave pool, and it's suitable for all ages. So if you want to just come, put your feet in the water, or take a dip in the wave pool, it's the best way to cool off on a hot day at Coco Cay. You can have the kids splash around in the little water area right there. They have the little life vest for everyone. But yeah, this is the perfect way to cool down and have a great time.
left hand, and seesaw. All of you looking good. Again, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, work the hips. Let the water bubble, there you go. Right hand, left hand, right hand, and seesaw. Pretty easy, yeah? Are you ready? Oasis Lagoon, are you ready? All right, here we go. We're just going into the party side. Here we go. Look at you guys. Seesaw! Alright, stop! I love it. The only thing most of you get is a seesaw.
So we were having a ball here at the Oasis Lagoon. The bar was packed and everybody was having such a good time. I can't lie, it was really fun. So this is Splash Summit, and it's more of a family-friendly water slides. It has about 6. They have the Twister, they have the Slingshot, and they have the 4-way Speedway Racers over there. So it's definitely fun and definitely more family-oriented with the tube slides and everything. So definitely check it out. I had an amazing time here at Thrill Water Park at Coco Cay. I definitely recommend it. The cost is between $55 to $100 depending on the time you go, but you can book it through your app or on the ship at Royal Caribbean.
On our way back to the ship because it was a long day. Fun day. Actually, the actual perfect day today at Coco Cay, I must say. Ooh, that rhymed. Yeah, it was perfect. Out of the 3 days at perfect day at Coco Cay that I've been here, or 3 times rather, today was actually perfect. It didn't rain, sun was out. I went to the thrill park and it wasn't crowded. Got to ride the slides, no problem. Food, got to eat it, no problem. So yeah, it was actually a perfect day today. We are in port with the Independence of the Seas, but we're gonna get back on the ship. And don't forget, tomorrow we are here again at Coco Cay, this time with Symphony of the Seas. So we'll be here with Symphony of the Seas tomorrow. So they, I think, dock at 10 a.m. So the key is to get a chair before Symphony comes in, because we're just gonna do the chill side tomorrow and pretty much lounge and chill out, go to the beach, you know, that. So that's the plan for tomorrow, because of course we missed Labadee. But yeah, so that's it. Yeah, we'll be back on the ship. I gotta change and then see what else we can get into. Okay, I am dressed and ready to go eat. I think I'm gonna eat in the Windjammer tonight because I am a little late for the main dining room, so it will be Windjammer tonight. And then I don't know what's gonna go on tonight. I don't know, I gotta see if there's some shows or something, but I'm trying to have some fun tonight. All right, we'll see what I get into later. Change of plans, we're gonna go to the main dining room since I think I can make it. I can make it. Yeah. All right, I'll see you in the main dining room.
Doors closing.
Hey, so I didn't get a chance to film my dinner, but trust me, it was very good. So after dinner, we did catch one of the ice skating shows here on board Mariner of the Seas, and I really, really loved this ice skating show. So I'm showing you guys a few clips of it, but yeah, this show was on point. So if you're ever on a Royal Caribbean ship, make sure you catch one of the ice skating shows. You will not regret it. So guys, after the skating show, I pretty much went back to the room and called it a night. I needed some rest. But yeah, the show was great. I just want to thank everybody for watching, everybody for supporting the channel. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. You never know, you just might love me. But yeah, don't forget to tune in because tomorrow we will be back at Thrill Park for day 2. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to say thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.